Is it best spot there?
It'll be the Ulster. Lovely.
To warm me there.
It's lovely though, isn't it?
Yeah. Happy new bobcat.
Yeah.
We're planting them carrots in a minute, aren't we? It's freezing out there.
I get bloody thing, you know, getting it car. I keep knocking it off with this bloody thing got top bump.
Not at all a car.
Yeah. Oh, 10.0 now. What am I doing now?
Oh, is it? Look at that. Ice.
Nice.
Yeah.
Boom.
Ooh. Bad time to planting carrots. Whoa. Huh?
Well, there they in there.
Yeah, sort some out. Let's have a look. What's he got there? Let's have a look. Yeah, that's plenty of that. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. So he's putting that much in each row. He's putting them all in one place here. Get along that way, get along. Don't need odd ones in. Be sending them out till next Christmas. That's enough. There's you going off to end. Oh, no gaps. Any gaps, don't be blaming rabbits. We don't get rabbits in here.
That's an egg jab there. Is he coming to check in him and he's gone in?
He will be in a couple of weeks.
Shallot, I think, for that.
No, they're not shallots, they're carrots, aren't they?
Shallot.
Right.
Lovely.
So there you go. So we're putting 5 rows in and then we'll cover them up with compost. So we'll fill them rows up.
Prove some different ones in. Approve.
No, I put same in.
All these in.
Yeah, they're all same in.
No problem.
I'm not going filming putting all them seeds in because I'm going to help him. So we'll put some in there. All I've done is press that in. Just that much. And I've done this one already. So I'm going to 2 more do. And then just cover it up with a bit of that compost and we'll make it out. Give it a quick water and then it's nice and wet, that bed now still. So what we'll do now is every time we're on we'll put a tub in each of them every day. That should keep it damp underneath.
Water from the bottom.
No strawberries on there yet. What was that? Oh, we go. Robin. Yeah, right back here because Henry's getting some water and I'm getting this glass thing here. Put over the top of them carrots. We won't get that out in a sec. Just give it a bit of a propagator lid. So I'll get that out. On video. Too cold for working out there today. So we're having a deep breather here. She's puffing inside there, I don't think she's so happy. So we'll open this door in a minute and we'll go start in there. Whoa. Got her.
I tell you, you've not got my best side.
Caught somebody rooted it back at the shed. What?
But I tell you, you've not got my best side.
Go on, face back at the shed then.
Exactly. Did you say?
What are you joking?
I'm not.
Yeah. Right, got all that wood out at the shed there. We'll chop that up for kindling in a minute, but look what I've just put up. It's just come before. I think it was $3.89. Money well spent. Look at it. Yeah, how's that like? It's got twizzles on that so it doesn't get wrapped around like this one does. That's not come yet. Yeah, we'll chop all that kindling up now and put it in that black bag. I'll just load it car up now with all that, look at that. Come out to that shed, so I think it's a trip tip for me tomorrow. But we'll have a look at that shed in a minute. I'll get that car. That's car loaded up. Oh, so now give me a. Well, I've got that left. I'll have to take it tomorrow because there's no room in car. It's chocker. Love that flag. Yeah, but where are we here? Oh. Can we come in? That water's where? No lights on because that leck is still down. It's only up to 10. Hang on. 10.3. It might come on now. No, it's not come on. Let's have a look at back here. See if we can see anything. These lights not on.
I don't think so.
Is that control? Let's have a gun. Oh yeah, there you go. Look at that. We've got a floor. Yeah, you can't see it properly, but trust me. That. We're in. Stood up floor. Ooh. Yep, definitely. Not stood on nothing. I've not been lazy. I've chopped a load of kindling. Big bag full. So that's in here now with them logs poking through there. Look at this. She's even gone under the chairs. Can open that door and shut it now properly. Yeah, a piece of jigsaw. Too much. Look at that. All tidy under there. No dust nowhere. It's even what? Oh, it's a brush fireplace too. Right? Look at that. Nice at morning that. Oops, some tools going in the shed now. We're bogging off because we need a bath and can you turn it that?
Yep, do it.
Sorry. We need a bath and get changed because we're at pub for tea. So, see you at morning.